Hey guys, this is my 2014 Audi A4 b8.5 model. I decided to make this video because I recently put the CTS turbo catch can on the car and there was no instructions and I had no idea where things go. There was one picture online, but it wasn't even my same car, but I kind of went off of that. So let me explain how to properly install it. You're gonna have to first remove the PCV and the elbow that comes with it, which is going to be this part right here. The elbow is going to be right here. You're also going to have to detach this hose, this part right here. It's connected right here, so you're going to have to unplug that and just remove all that, and then you're going to be left with a hole right here. You're going to fill that up with a little piece that's a bracket, and it comes with a little top. You're going to put the top inside of that, and then right here you're going to remove this screw, and you're gonna remove a little clip that it has, and you're gonna put the bracket instead, and then you're gonna screw it back on and tighten it here so it's not loose. Right after that, you're gonna get the plate. Make sure that obviously you're gonna have to have these two coils out and this loose so you can have better access to this. So once you get this part right here, you're gonna have to plug it back onto the plate, which is gonna have the same exact hole. So it's pretty straightforward. The kit comes with its own O-rings, so I swapped them out before installing it. One thing that the kit does not bring is the gasket. So before you put the plate on it, you're gonna have to remove the gasket that's on here and try not to break it, and you're gonna have to put it back on that. Getting it out is kind of tricky, but once you get it out, it's pretty simple from there. So then after you do that and you put it here and you connect it and you hook everything up, the kit comes with a few screws, but all the long ones are gonna go on the plate. There's one for each, and then the two extra ones are gonna be shorter than the rest. Those are for the bracket to hold up the catch can. So once you get this on, you're gonna come to the catch can. You're gonna come to the catch can. You're gonna get the black piece, put it on top. It has to be in the same exact part, because if not, it's not gonna line up and it's not gonna fit. Because if you see, it has its own little groove to fit that part. So you're going to put the black part on top, then you're going to put the silver one on the bottom, then you're going to put the catch can underneath both of them, and then you're going to bolt it on. And it's going to be pretty firm. And then when you get that, the holes are pretty straightforward. On the picture on Google, it had it facing up like that, the elbow's facing up. So I did that, and I pretty much copied it. This, I'm pretty sure, is just to hold it in place. It has no purpose. But yeah, that's how it's supposed to look at the end.